So the chess and checkers house has been under construction for the last probably year and a half, and it's just now opening back up. So we're gonna go check it out, see the updates that they've done. So they did add this handicap accessible ramp, which is new. And if you were here before, I believe it was all metal. So they've got kind of these tree awnings here. It may have been similar to this, but it's definitely updated. These nice long benches. Of course, you've got the actual chess checkers tables. I mean, there's probably 20 of them or more. This right here looks like it's probably where you can check out the chess and checkers pieces. It's open Wednesday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. What is definitely new are restrooms up here. So there's the men's on this side, women's on the other side. And as you can see, I'll just kind of walk along. Tons of chess and checkers tables, plenty of space. There's a women's restroom on the other side here. They did a really great job. It looks really, really nice, definitely nicer than it used to. The bathrooms are a nice addition. More bathrooms is always better. And it's very close here to the dairy, which is kind of a gift shop. It's close to Woolman Rink. Over my shoulder here, you have the Carousel and Hekscher Playground. So kind of right in this southern part of the park, really easy to access. I believe you can rent things. I'll get more information on that. But you can always, of course, bring your own pieces as well. So come check it out.